CleanAir America have highly trained technicians ready to help you with your heating and AC system repair needs. We are fully licensed by the state of Texas and we are long-standing members of the Better Business Bureau. Our well-trained technicians represent our full and unconditional commitment to providing you with the most efficient services possible to your exclusive satisfaction. Their expertise together with our commitment has made us a leading entity in this field. We take great pride in providing honest service and repairing your system properly the first time. We stand behind our work and guarantee our services with a worry-free unconditional warranty. Contact us today for your free and no-obligation estimate. Call now. 713-802-2561. Visit our website www.houstonacpros.com.